Now today we'll be learning how to design this new month flyer. And just click on one of this icon over here, click on the fourth icon, go to your image size, change it to 2500 and your height to 3000. Click on your OK, use the size you'll be using, go to your fourth icon, go to your color, leave it on gradient, click on the plus icon, then click on this third box over there. See this first bar here, this first icon, click on the color icon, then you move it, click on this black circle, move it, be moving it, so then you deepen it. Click on this second pencil, click on the color icon, go to this place I'm putting my color there, then this is here, click on OK and mark it. Next thing, we import our image. So this is the image we are going to be using. Remove the background, just crop it a little bit like this, and crop it like this, just reduce the size like this. So then just align it to be in the center, then just move it a little bit just to cover that small space down. Now go ahead, lock it, come back. Now next thing you're going to do is to write our December. Then when you write your December, click on it, increase it. Now you go to your heavy font. We're going to be looking for the font. So this is the font we're going to be using. So increase it like this. So when you increase it, let's change the fonts. I'll be using this so you increase it like this. So when you increase it like this, go to your line spacing icon, reduce it to 10 at least, and then move it to the back, click on the back icon, and then go to your perspective, enable it on it, stretch it the way I stretch it. So we just like this. So then you write your welcome to. So then you pick our font. Let's use this font over here. And we increase it. You bold it and lock it. So let's unlock this just to stretch it. You go to our spacing, not line spacing, this kind of spacing, word spacing instead of letters, and then we lock it. So the next thing we do is to create a shape over here. Stretch it like, just click on this circle. You can see the circle icon there, just stretch it. That's how to stretch it. You can see 4 stretching inside. Then increase your radius to 4, reduce your opacity down through 37, enable it. So the next thing we do is go to our AI icon, go to your quotes, just pick a quote. Now this time we're going to be using one out of our code positives. Just pick a quote out of it. So B So enable it, go to your text background, enable, click on the plus icon. So just increase it like yes, the way we did it, the way I just did it. So then you go to your left padding, increase it, your right padding, increase it to the same thing, your top padding, increase it, and your bottom padding, increase it, and your radius, increase it a little bit. 5 is enough. Now you go to your shape, stretch it the way you want it to be, like that. So then increase your radius to 10 at least, yes. Reduce your opacity then, so you see the down, then stretch it the way you want it to be. Now enable it, click on your mark icon, so hold it there and move the text up, so then you match both the shape, text. Don't match the like stretch stage, only this one we just do. So now you go to your perspective, and then when you after you've enabled, you have to stretch it. So there's it here, over here. So now next thing I'm going to do, we go to our shape again, and stretch it downward, and stretch it side again. So leave it in like this. So the next thing for this is just use our move icon, then you lock everything, so that's to avoid misunderstanding. So next thing we are going to do is to write our text to get your own design handled. Then you make the color green, so you pick the color from your background. How to pick color from your background is one of my tutorials. So you deepen it. You are not changing fonts this time. If I wanted to change font, I would have changed it. I'm not changing font, so let's use our move icon. Just increase it by 4 px and move it, then reduce it by 1 px later on. So if you increase the size, if you reduce the size, you have to reduce it by 1 px. Now this aspect we're going to write contact us, capital letters, contact us, then on backspace +2348116697608, then so now we go to our text background, enable it, reduce it. We just want to enable it for now. We're still going to go back to it just for us to reduce and place it there, and then you switch back. You pick the same color we pick for the text. Now we're going to change the font to Gothamman Black. So then we'll move it. So then you go to your left padding, increase it. So top padding. So that's how it should be. Then you mark it. You can reduce it a little bit, position it 1 px. increase this size. So it's 18. This size should be okay. So let's increase our bottom, so I think this is okay enough. Now right, send the dim. Now send us a dim now. Now we're going to pick our color first. It's enough. So we're using gradient. Maybe red. Click on the second pencil, then make it like this, and lighten it a little bit like this. You can make it so sorry, we're using this for our text background. Sorry, nice white. So we'll come to our text background, use the same gradient we just used now. Now. So for that, let's boot it. Let's go back to our text background. Click on the gradient and click on gradient to the script. We created that thing. So white padding, top padding, so reduce the size first. You have to reduce the size a little bit. So after you're able to do this, the final thing we are going to do is to import our you have to go for this it. After when you put it, leave it like this, then you copy. So this copy icon over here, you click on it, bold it in a little bit, leave it a bit like this, push it like this, you copy it again. So we are going to rotate it 360 and place it at the back, press to back, copy again, go to rotate icon. To avoid misunderstanding, go to rotate icon and do it here and just rotate it a little bit. This aspect you have to rotate it at least angle to 70. So this is it, then you can save your design. So after when you're able to save your design, always remember to save it in neutral form. Go to your snapshot just to increase sharpening. So we won't be adding any light effects now, but this is how you can add your light effect. Now we are going to be using our details. Increase your details and your sharpening. So that's how we increase your details and your sharpening. That's how it. So next thing for us is to go to our export icon and save it. So when it's saved, you can see it's more clear. It's going to be more clearer than the before. Now let's go to view our this was how we achieve our design. Thank you.